How to start investing wisely with diversification for asset protection. Imagine managing your money in a way that honors God and builds a solid future. That's what wise investing is all about, stewarding resources responsibly. When you begin to invest, think of it as caring for what God has entrusted to you. Everything you have ultimately belongs to Him, so your investments should reflect biblical principles. Start by praying and studying Scripture before making any financial moves. Asking for God's wisdom helps you stay aligned with His values. Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty." Patience and careful planning are key. Avoid jumping into quick or risky investments just to chase quick gains. Instead, focus on steady, long-term growth. Next, embrace diversification, which is a biblical idea found in Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2. It says, "Give a portion to 7, or even to 8, for you know not what disaster may happen on earth." Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, and across various industries and regions. This way, if one area struggles, your whole portfolio isn't affected too much. Begin by learning about basic investment options. For example, consider starting with index funds or exchange-traded funds. These funds pull money from many investors to buy a broad range of stocks or bonds. They are usually low cost and help you avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. This approach reduces the risk of losing money if a single company or sector performs poorly. It's also wise to choose investments that align with your Christian values. Faith-based investing involves selecting companies that follow ethical practices and avoid activities contrary to biblical teachings. This way, your money supports businesses that promote integrity and justice. Practical steps to get started include setting clear financial goals rooted in stewardship and generosity. Build an emergency fund with enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This provides a safety net in case of unexpected events. Consult with a Christian financial advisor who understands biblical principles and modern investing strategies. Begin with manageable amounts, such as investing $50 a month, and increase as your confidence grows. Regularly review your investments and rebalance your portfolio. This means adjusting your holdings to maintain your desired level of risk and diversification. Remember, wise investing is about more than just wealth. It's about managing God's resources well to support your family, ministry, and future needs. Trust in God's guidance, and your investments can become a tool for His kingdom and your long-term peace.